Play games and get paid PayPal Cash, a revolutionary app that allows you to earn real money for every minute you spend gaming. Say goodbye to wasted time and hello to a gaming experience that puts cash in your pocket. Join the thousands of gamers who are already reaping the benefits of this free app and start getting paid for doing what you love. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Watch this video now, start earning cash today. But before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever I have a new video on how to make money online. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. And if you have any questions or concerns regarding the video, please leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. Tired of wasting hours playing games without anything to show for it? Look no further. STG app is the ultimate gaming app that not only lets you enjoy your favorite games, but also rewards you with real money and exciting gift cards. STG is a completely free app to install and use. A big chance to earn real rewards by simply playing games that pay money and win gift cards. Imagine being able to earn money while doing what you love. With STG, every minute you spend playing games becomes an opportunity to earn rewards. Whether you're a casual gamer or a dedicated player, STG is here to turn your gaming passion into real-world benefits. STG is the right app that pays real money with Ultimate Gaming, where you can play games that pay real money and win exciting gift cards. Get rewards for every minute you spend playing games. Don't wait any longer. Download STG now and start getting paid for doing what you love, playing games. Get ready to unlock a world of rewards and make your gaming experience even more thrilling. In the end, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.